Hey Smileys, it's AI and this is AI Brown Smile. I hope you guys are ready to do some hard work today because, yeah, you're gonna need to be ready for this. I'm gonna share with you one of my projects that I've been working on around the house. Here recently, I just put up these shelves to create a home for some of my perfumes and just little whatnots that I needed a place for. They turned out great and I'm super excited to show you guys how we did it with the help of my handy assistant, of course, and a drill. There's not many things more dangerous than a woman with a drill in her hand. So, hope y'all are ready. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right to it. Hey Smileys, I've been wanting to hang these shelves for the longest. I've had the materials in the trunk of my car for about 3 weeks or longer, and it's finally happening. I picked up the shelves and brackets at Home Depot, and the brackets came with screws to hang the shelves. The first step is to apply the brackets to the shelves using the shorter screws. I screwed 2 brackets to each shelf using 2 screws for each bracket. I left about a ½ inch of space from the edge of the board to the edge of each bracket. I'm going to put up a total of 4 shelves, so I'm starting low. We're going to start here with the first shelf and work our way up. The shelves are 2 different widths, but they are all the same length. I'm putting the wider ones at the bottom, and we're going to put the more narrow shelves up top. He's starting each screw off with the drill and finishing up with the screwdriver. And as far as placement goes, I'm just going to eyeball it as I go.
You're more particular than me.
There's nothing wrong with that. So we are just finishing up shelf number 3 here. I already have a few ideas about what I'm going to put on my shelves. I always like to include flowers or a plant, books, and candles, so I know I'll include those things for sure. Final one, and we are done. I want to thank you guys for watching Smileys, and I want to give a special thanks to my assistant, who is a major pain in my I'm gonna let him wrap this up because, bruh, you know what? Come here.
All right, Smileys, that'll do it for today. See you guys into the next one. Ciao.
Come on, tell me what you think. What do you think?